Hello बच्चों, the question says passage based question. Answer the question on the basis of your understanding of the following passage and the related study concept. हमारे पास है पैसेज बेस्ड क्वेश्चन. हमें आंसर करना क्वेश्चन का ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ योर अंडरस्टैंडिंग ऑफ द फॉलोइंग पैसेज और हमारे रिलेटेड स्टडी कॉन्सेप्ट के यूज से. एंड पैसेज दिया गया है, हाउ डज ए मेटल कंडक्टर कंडक्ट इलेक्ट्रिसिटी. You would think that a low energy electron have great difficulty passing through a solid conductor. Inside a solid, the atoms are packed together with very little spacing between them. But it turns out electrons are able to travel through a perfect solid crystal smoothly and easily, almost as if they were in a vacuum. The motion of electrons in a conductor, however, is very different from that of a charge in empty space. When a steady current flows through a conductor, the electrons in it move with a certain average drift speed. One can calculate this drift speed of electron from a typical copper wire carrying a small current, and it is found to be actually very small, of the order of 1 mm per second. How is it then that an electric bulb light up as soon as we turn the switch on? It cannot. That a current start only when an electron from one terminal of the electric supply physically reaches the other terminal through the bulb, because the physical drift of electron in the conducting wire is a very slow process. ये था हमारे पास पैसेज एंड रिलेटेड टू पैसेज क्वेश्चन पूछा गया है. How does an electric bulb light up as soon as we turn the switch on? तो how does an electric bulb light होगा as soon as जब हम टर्न करते हैं स्विच को ऑन. ये हमें बताना है. तो इस क्वेश्चन के लिए हमारा की कॉन्सेप्ट यूज हो रहा है, दैट इज फ्लो ऑफ करंट. फ्लो ऑफ करंट. ओके, तो देखो इसके कारण क्या होगा. द करंट इज सेटअप इन ए एंटायर सर्किट. द करंट इज सेटअप. करंट सेट होगा इन द एंटायर सर्किट. एंटायर सर्किट. ओके, तो द करंट विच इज सेटअप, जो करंट सेट होगा, द करंट विच इज सेट अप डज नॉट वेट फॉर द इलेक्ट्रॉन्स. डज नॉट वेट फॉर द electrons flow. Electrons flow from one end of the conductor. From one end of the conductor. One end of the conductor to the one end of the conductor से हम कह सकते हैं कि another end to the another end, right. So it is due to this reason. Due to this reason क्या होगा, द इलेक्ट्रिक बल्ब ग्लो इमीडिएटली. द इलेक्ट्रिक बल्ब ग्लो इमीडिएटली. इमीडिएटली. okay, when switch is on. When switch is on, right. Hope you understood it well. Best of luck. Thank you.